How to delete watched video history on Netflix. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete your watched video history on Netflix. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com. Then press enter to search it. Here, make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. Once logged in, you will reach to this interface. Here, hover the cursor over your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, here select account option. Once you reach to this page, just scroll down and click on this manage profile option. From here, select your profile and you will reach to the profile settings. On this page, scroll down and there you will find viewing activity. Click on this option and here you will see a list of all the titles you have watched. Now to clear your entire viewing history, you will have to click on this hide all option right here at the bottom of the list and then confirm it by clicking on yes, hide all my viewing activity. By simply clicking on it, you will be able to delete all your watch history on Netflix. Now Netflix will no longer use this information to make recommendations. However, it may take up to 24 hours for the changes to take effect across all your devices. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.